Hello everyone, welcome to Jurassic Pork. Today we are making chicken wings on the Z Grill's pellet smoker with a new rub from Uncle Dave's Spices and Rubs out of Mississippi. They were kind enough to send this to us, so we're going to do a review today and test it out. Stick around. Today's seasoning is going to be Uncle Dave's Spices and Rubs. We're going to be putting this on all of our chicken wings in here that are already pre-cut and ready to go. This was sent to me about a month ago, and weather finally broke, so we got some nice weather to do some smoking in. So we're going to get this going and see how this tastes. I've already opened it up and smelled it, and it smells amazing. I'll have the website and everything on the description below. So we're going to crack this open and get some of it on there. Really looking forward to giving this a try. Just gonna mix that in. Boy, I wish you guys can smell that seasoning. It smells amazing. I did not put any oil or anything onto the wings this time. Just hoping that when I actually get the smoker cranked up and stuff, that the skin can actually get somewhat crispy. And I know sometimes the oil can stop that. Boy, that smells awesome. There we go. We're going to go ahead and get those on the sheet and we'll get them out to the smoker. Alright, let's get these things loaded on there. Put them on a nice tray so they're easy to move around, easy to take out. Don't have to use the tongs on them as much. We're going to leave them in here for probably around 45 minutes or so at 250 degrees, and we'll go out and check out the temps and see where they're sitting at. The only bad part about smoking meat is when you're hungry, it seems to go at sloth speed. Let's go ahead and give these wings a temp. They've been on here now for roughly 45-50 minutes. We're sitting about 150 on them. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and flip them over now. I like to take them up to about 175, 180s and stuff, and see how it goes. But I think they're going to turn out great. They smell amazing. So we'll go ahead and get these flipped over and be right back. Alright, I think it's time to give these bad boys a temp check. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, they are done. Go ahead and shut that smoker off now. Go ahead and get these inside and we're going to give them a taste test. Well, there they are. I tell you, these things smell amazing. Sure wish you could smell it in here. That Uncle Dave's Spices and Rubs barbecue seasoning really smells awesome. If it tastes as good as it smells, it is going to be amazing. Just waiting for them to cool down a little bit, then we're going to give them a little taste test. Alright, now everyone's favorite time, taste test. Those are perfectly smoked wings right there. Those are amazing. That seasoning is really good. Really good flavor on that. I'm really looking forward to using this on more cooks for sure. Again, that is Uncle Dave's Spices and Rubs there from Mississippi. That is really good. Thank you again for sending that for me to try out. It was awesome. If you'd like to buy any of their products and check them out, the website will be available in the description below. I'd definitely try it. They have a lot more seasonings coming out too and flavors, and they're going to be really good. So this is John with Jurassic Pork. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and share. And again, thanks for watching, and God bless.